Unravel the mystery of managing your GoHighLevel integrations as we show you how to effortlessly remove Twilio from your platform. First, after logging into your GoHighLevel account, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation bar and click on the settings gear icon, typically located near the bottom. Once you are on the settings page, navigate through the options on the left-hand side and select Phone Systems to access your communication integration settings. Here, you will see your connected Twilio account. To initiate the disconnection process, locate the Delete or Disconnect button positioned right next to your active Twilio integration and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to disconnect or delete your Twilio integration. Carefully read the message, and if you are certain, click the Confirm or Yes to Delete button to proceed. Congratulations! Your Twilio integration has now been successfully removed from your GoHighLevel account. You can now reintegrate a different Twilio account or explore other communication options as needed for your business.